Good morning, kindergarten. Let's take a look at our morning message. Are you ready? All right, let's begin. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Friday, November 6, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. All right, the first thing we need to do is write a word that rhymes with Sam. And we know that words that rhyme, they sound the same in the middle, in the end. So if you look here, see if I can highlight that. Maybe I can. Highlighter. So we're going to highlight. So this is this middle and the end. Am. Okay. Do you see that? Am is there and am is there. So we need to find a word that rhymes with Sam. Sam. What about ham? Ham, Sam. They both sound the same in the middle and the end. Ham, Sam. Very good. How about this word? Ham or Sam, ham, ram. Ram is a boy sheep. Wonderful. Let's say it all together one more time. These are all words that rhyme with Sam. Sam, ham, ram. Very good, boys and girls. All right, let's take a look down here. We're missing some numbers. All right, maybe you could help me out. I'm not sure if I can even write on these, but we'll figure it out together. Okay, help me out. Here's our 1. 1, 2. What goes here? Yeah, 3. I wonder if I can get that 3 right on top of there. Maybe not. Maybe it's not going to work for me. Nope. So we won't do that. Oh, shoot. What did I just do? All right, we'll just go like that. So 3 goes there. What's after 3? 4, you're right. And then 5 is there for us already. 6, what goes there? 7. I'll just make the numbers here for you. There's the 7, that would go right there. Then 8, what goes here? You are right, the number 9. And then the last one is 10. Very good. Okay, let's read our sight words that we know. All right, here, you know what? As we read them, I will highlight them. Let's highlight them in purple. Okay, here we go. Am, at, the, at, am, the. Very good. Let's do it one more time. Am, at, the, at, am, the. Very good. Wonderful job, boys and girls. Love, Mrs. Cool and Miss Pam. All right, let's take a look. Our letter of the day is our letter L. L, lion. We'll talk about that during our small group Zooms today. Ready to count? Let's count to 30 today because we can do that. All right, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Great job. All right, we got to count down starting at 10 all the way to 0, and we're going to blast off. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, blast off. Fabulous job. All right, let's just keep going. You guys are doing a great job. We're going to make an ABC pattern. All right, let's do flag, hat, turkey. Okay, so that's going to be our pattern. Flag, hat, turkey. Okay, so we just continue that pattern. Flag, hat, turkey. Again, flag, hat, turkey. Wonderful. All right, let's review our sight words. That's our color word that we're working on. Gray, orange, red, blue, the, am, at. Fabulous job. You guys are rock stars for sure. All right, take a look at our activities for today. That is in the Seesaw activities, the light bulb that you have to push. Okay, you have 3 things that you need to do. Here, this first one is the matching the beginning sound. Okay, so you're going to look at each of these pictures. There's a fish, cookie, bear, monkey, and pineapple. So you have to think about what do they begin with? What's their beginning sound? And then move those letters in those bottom boxes. Make sure you check that green button when you finish and send it over to me. Okay? Again, we're still working on that great sight word am, and there is a video, a song about am, and then you get to practice it a little bit and you get to read the word. Okay? Make sure again, submit it to me again, and then we're going to work on our letter L, and you guys know exactly what to do with this. So go ahead and do all five pages of this and then send it to me. Okay? And it should be coming to you about 8 o'clock today. All right? Now the videos that we're going to be doing, we're going to our math video, so you'll need your math sheet. It's 2.4, and you're comparing groups to 5 by counting. So you're looking at 2 different numbers and deciding which one's greater and which one's less than. And we go over the whole lesson. So, and with a video, you can stop and go back if you're confused. So make sure you spend the time you need, that you do your best work. Take a picture of your paper and send it to me. Miss Stacy has another great story, a Pete the Cat story. So fun, and you'll really enjoy that. And then you'll do a coloring sorting activity with Miss Pam. You have this in your distance learning folder, your green folder. There's different color squares, and she's going to show you how to use them and what you need to do. All right? And also, we'd like you to do some on your iPad, Imagine Learning. So make sure you get some time. It usually is about 15 minutes to get through Imagine Learning. So make sure you get a chance to do that today. And then our small group Zooms. So we have, don't forget to participate in your small group Zooms today so that we can see your wonderful faces and see how you're doing with everything. All right. I think that is all for our morning message. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you on Zoom. Bye, boys and girls.